If you look at Wall Street today, you see a casino. Millions of people staring at 6 screens, screaming about crypto, day trading options, and trying to predict the future. You probably think that to become a billionaire investor, you need a supercomputer and a math degree. But the greatest investor in history, Warren Buffett, doesn't even have a computer on his desk. He drinks cherry Coke, reads paper reports, and has made over $130 billion. How? Because while everyone else is playing in the casino, Warren Buffett is buying the farm. Welcome back. I am Dollar Dave. Today, we are exposing the incredibly boring, simple genius of Warren Buffett and how you can copy his exact strategy to build your own wealth. Let's look at the difference between a gambler and a farmer. When you buy a stock just hoping the price goes up tomorrow so you can sell it, you are not investing. You are gambling. But Warren Buffett doesn't look at the stock price. He looks at the business. Imagine you buy a real farm. You don't wake up every single morning, run outside, and check the price of the farm. No. You just collect the milk from the cows, sell it, and use that money to buy more cows. That is called value investing. Buffett buys companies that make things people buy every single day, like Coca-Cola or Apple. Because he owns a piece of these companies, they pay him a share of their profits every few months. This is called a dividend. It is basically free milk from his corporate cows. And here's the magic trick. He doesn't spend that dividend money on fancy cars. He takes that cash and uses it to buy even more shares. It's like rolling a tiny snowball down a massive hill. At first, it is small and slow, but as it collects more snow, it gets bigger and faster. After 50 years, Buffett's tiny snowball has become an unstoppable avalanche of cash.
You're probably thinking, Dave, this is great, but Warren Buffett buys entire companies. I only have $50 left over after paying rent. How can I buy a farm? The secret is you don't need to buy the whole farm. You just need to buy a tiny piece of the best farms in the world. Warren Buffett has repeatedly said that the best investment for 99% of people is a low-cost S&P 500 index fund. Think of it like a giant basket that holds a tiny piece of the 500 biggest and most successful companies in America. Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, they're all in the basket. When you invest your $50 into this basket, you instantly own a microscopic piece of all of them. If one company goes bankrupt, you don't care because the other 499 are still making money. You're no longer trying to pick the winning horse in a race. You own the entire racetrack. You just keep adding your $50 every month, let the companies pay you their dividends, and watch your snowball grow. It is boring, it is slow, and it is exactly how you become a millionaire. If you want to see the exact math of how your $50 can turn into a massive army of clones that work for you, click the video on the screen right now. I'm Dollar Dave. Stop gambling, start farming, and I will see you in the next one.